Yo guys, what is up? What's going on? So I live in a new community, and the other day they were actually resurfacing the road right outside my house, and I had no choice other than the next day to drive on that road. It was some fresh asphalt, and as you can see, small pieces of tar kind of flung up and stuck onto my paint. And now this stuff is really nasty. It's really difficult to get off. But I'm at the car wash and I'm going to show you very quickly using Tar-X. It's a product by the same guys that make Iron X and the Hydro 2 that I really like. You just basically spray it onto your paint like this. You're going to let it sit, and it's going to kind of do its magic and work away at eating that tar that's stuck onto the paint. You want to be careful spraying it around PPF if you have that. You don't want to let it sit on that for too long. I would say a minute tops. But on your paint, you can let this stuff sit for a few minutes. You can see it already start to work. It's literally taking off that tar that would otherwise not come off whatsoever with just regular soap and washing it. Let it sit for a few minutes. You can see it's working right away, doing a really good job at taking off those specks of tar. Now after you've let it sit for a few minutes, you can get your pressure washer out. Just using a high pressure soap and pressure washing it off first before going at it with a mitt or a wash sponge or anything like that, because you don't want to move those particles around. You basically just want to blast them off first. The next step after this is we might have to clay bar any of the pieces that won't come off. So you can see here I'm back home in the garage, and all of the tar speckles came off. Pretty much all of them. There is a few left, small pieces that wouldn't come off, but they're just stubborn. They're either on there really good, or I didn't spray enough Tar-X, or I missed that spot. What I'm going to do with these spots is I'm just going to clay bar them off, or use a clay sponge or whatever. You guys, I have some other videos about those you've probably seen. But yeah, with these I'm going to clay bar them off. This stuff will strip your wax or your sealant, so you'll want to go back after you do this and reseal the paint with your favorite sealant or wax, whatever it is you use. Anyways, I hope this video helps you if you are out there and you got some tar stuck on your paint like I did. If you have any questions or anything, feel free to leave a comment down below as always, and thanks so much for watching.